In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a link on an image in Gmail. First, open Gmail and click on the Compose button. This action takes you to a new email window where you can start crafting your message. On the screen, you will see a blank area where you can enter the recipient's email address, subject line, and your message. The Compose button is typically located in the upper left corner of your Gmail interface. Clicking this button is essential as it sets the stage for the entire process of adding a link to your image. Once you have completed this step, you are ready to move forward. Next, insert your image into the email. To do this, locate the Insert Photo icon at the bottom of the Compose window. This icon looks like a small picture and will allow you to add visual elements to your email. You have two options here. You can either upload an image from your device or select a photo from your Google Photos account. This step is significant because images can enhance your emails, making them more engaging and visually appealing. Once you select your image, it will appear in the email body, ready for further manipulation. Now click the image inside the email to select it. This action highlights the image, indicating that it is ready for additional editing. When the image is selected, you will notice that it may have a slight border or shadow, making it clear that it is active. Selecting the image is crucial because it allows you to apply changes such as adding a link. This visual cue reassures you that you're on the right track and your email will soon be more interactive. Next, click the Insert Link icon at the bottom of the Compose window. This icon looks like a chain link and is essential for embedding a hyperlink into your image. Clicking this icon opens a dialog box where you can insert the desired link. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can also press Ctrl+K on Windows or Command+K on Mac. This little shortcut can save you a lot of time later and makes the process quicker and more efficient. Now, paste the website URL you want the image to open when clicked. This is where you input the link that will direct your recipients to the desired web page. Ensure that the URL is complete and begins with either HTTP or HTTPS for it to work correctly. This step is crucial because it determines where your viewers will go when they click on the image. A correctly inserted link enhances the functionality of your email, making it more useful for your recipients. Finally, click OK to finalize the link. This action completes the process of linking your image. You will see a confirmation appear that indicates the link has been successfully added to the image. With this, your image is now interactive, providing a direct pathway for your recipients to access additional information. This step is important because it ensures that all your changes are saved and the link is active. Once you finish these steps, you can continue composing your email as usual. Adding links to images can significantly improve your email's effectiveness. Now you can send your email confidently, knowing it contains engaging and clickable content. Thank you for following along and happy emailing.